Well, it's about 9 on Monday morning, January 15th, MLK Day. A couple of the coldest days we've had this winter season. And I ain't gonna stand out here in the video very long, but you can see I finally have got the hose running in the tank on my truck. Kids are all waiting on me. They usually get fed before 8. I was trying to make it to where Emily probably got 3 inches of snow yesterday. I was trying to make it to where had the water there filling up while I was going doing chores, and it took me longer to get the water thawed out. It actually thawed out in the garage pretty good, but even the outside of the frost-free hydrant was froze, and the door was froze. Even though I didn't have any water against the door was froze shut. The latch on the door handle would not let go. And look at here. You're probably gonna get the dash cam for a little while. Can't get it right where I want it. Dash ain't made right or something there. I know my hand was getting cold. You can't push that button on that phone with gloves on. Started just like it had been plugged in. So we're gonna go over and see if we can get them calves fed. I don't know, maybe it's too cold to say it. This is Paul Case on Paul Case Farms. I don't like it. This stuff causes us to be to where we can't function. A bunch of people line themselves up for sorrow. They had a huge pile up all over up and down I-44 last night or yesterday afternoon. I don't know if they ever did get it took care of. I feel for those folks. I want to go help them, but I'd get myself stuck out there going to try to help them. So it's not a catch-22. It would be just a bad deal. Leave go to help them. And look at that. I put you all on my cord. Can't have you on my cord. I have that. Go put your feet out and see. Hey, the window even rolled down. Have to be able to see how much feet I'm putting out. to the dash cam. Sorry about my window. They just ain't a thing I can do about it. I am gonna roll up. Now we've got to go take care of the mama cows. I usually only give them a bale and a part of one. Today they're gonna get two. They got two yesterday, but it snowed since then. Heater's starting to warm up a little. I'll turn a little fan action on. Gotta get the cord up off the floor. I had one guy, and his dad was in my older brother's class in school. He called me or messaged me wanting a load of wood, and he asked me if I could take him a load of wood on Sunday. And Sunday for me is just an impossibility. I'm too busy already on Sunday. I set that apart as the Lord's Day, so I do not usually deliver wood on Sunday. I did take a load of wood to some of my church people that are kind of shut-ins, and a woman just got to come home from a nursing home, and she's on hospice. They live the opposite direction from my church, away from me, so I took them a load of wood on a Sunday. That's my oil being cold. I should have had that turned on before I was ready to use it. But it did. I had put out a bunch of hay yesterday morning with the skid loader in the barn. I filled up every bale feeder in the barn, and so I had set me some down in the right fashion to unroll them. This kind of weather, I don't mind leaving a little extra hay there. I don't have any young calves right now on the cow, except one, and he's sure old enough to fend for himself, but I like to give him a dry place to get. I know you'd like to see what's going on, but I got too many things in my hands right now. I'm still holding the string for the feed chute. I haven't got out since I finished putting out grain for those calves. But I'm fixing to. I'll have to open the gate down here, and then I'll have to cut ice on the pond. Probably wondering about those 3 bales while they're sitting up there. They belong to Kevin. He bought them from Brock. When he's up there, I took a little lodge to Brock, and he had some hay. Shot Kevin a price that's too good to resist. Hauled them home, and one other time I've been up there, I took a baler, maybe the second time, I don't know. And he had some more bales, so Kevin bought them too. And it's been good hay. Kevin says it's real good hay. He's gonna wonder what my chariot looks like. I got 2 bales of hay on there. About to see all that. Penelope, the cow, will be up at the side of my truck working on that. today. And they may have been there and broke it already. I hope they have. It'll be easier for me, but it's also highly likely, since our temperature has been hovering right around 0 to -5 for over 24 hours now. We're getting close to 48 hours out of that. It'll be too thick for them to break. I have to do a whole bunch of chopping. I'm going to come over here and park at the pond with my hay on my truck. I'm going to cut me a hole in that pond. Sit there until they come over. They haven't broken it. That's thick. But, well, they have broken. They have broken. Look at that. They have broken. They've been over here drinking already. That's the hole I cut yesterday. So, I'll come back up and see if I can't get me in the video here. Cut that hole right there a little bit bigger. Or at least make sure there's water there. I don't know if you can see that, but the ice is probably 3 inches thick. The snow on top of the pond actually helps that. And everybody thinks, well, that'll keep it frozen longer, but it helps it to not freeze as deep. Because it was about 2 inches yesterday morning, and the temperatures we've had would have been worse, way worse than that. Way worse than that. I called him, but I don't see anything coming this way yet. Those holes will stay open for a little bit. Here they come, here they come. They get over here, get them a drink while it is open, if they want one. I mean, that's not, you can lead a cow to water, but you can't make them drink. Their water consumption obviously cuts way down when it's cold like this, but they still got to have it. They can't eat enough snow to produce enough heat to keep going. And they will do stupid stuff like get way out in the middle of that pond, bust it, and fall in, can't get out. So you got to keep their water open some for them. calves just do it the worst whenever you're just having temperatures in the 20s and stuff. Them little calves, like 300-400 pound calf, they'll walk way out there in the middle of it and they'll break. And then they're in it and they can't get out. We had one of our stalker calves do that a few years back. There on Scott's hayfield. By the time we found him, he had froze to death, and he wasn't out in there very far, like maybe 6 feet. Oh, we roped him with a chain, roped his head with a chain, dragged him out of the hole. Hopefully we won't have to deal with that today. It's nice, really nice, being able to feed, water all my calves, stalker calves in the trough. Hopefully one of them will see it, go down there and get them a drink. You'll notice these cows all have ice on their whiskers, and just about all of them's got snow on their back. That snow on their back don't hurt them, it's actually up off their hide, it's on their hair. And it kind of keeps a little bit of insulation in there. Cow's gonna come up there and get her a drink. She sees the she's got another one to get down in there. Really melancholy day. Black cow's gonna get her a drink. Black cow standing in the way. See how they act like they're not very interested. Super warm in this truck yet. Well, when I get done feeding these and go put this truck back in the barn, I'm gonna start that other one. There, it's warm. I got a warm place to get while I'm moving water. Transmission on it, it's an automatic white truck, and it was really cold this morning. It did not want to move much. We got a few takers. Some of them's getting down there and getting them a drink. Bossy cow over there. This cow walking around the front right there, the red one, is that calf's mama. She's holding decent flesh. There's Penelope. Chunky short cow right there. Started calling her Penelope the other day because she come up here and eat feed right off of the truck. Right off. It was on the truck. Well, I pushed on my phone too hard and it shut off. Let's go run all these bills of hay for these cows. Ciao, Penelope. It's not asleep. Truck hood there rolling down. I think it's asleep. It's really great for business. Good. Just always eat for sleep. They haven't fit in this little nook very much. Frozen cow piles that I drive over just under the snow. Against the bale, I'm gonna try to unroll. So I have to go somewhere else to try and unroll this bale. If they'd quit. A few people that say I don't feed much hay. I don't know. Cleaned that out a week ago. I've had a bunch of hay in the last week. There's a streak of this hay that is was baled right across the north end of this hay field here. Maybe the first 2, maybe 3 windrows had it in it, but there was a bunch of dried out, dead cheatgrass. It was already all matured, dried out all the way down to the ground, and so we just raked it and baled it, and some of these bales have some streaks of that in them, so they wouldn't eat it and get any good out of it anyway. All right, let's start a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 2 reds there's 22. 3 blacks 25. 6, 7, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3. They're all here, doing good. Well, I'm gonna end this video here. Thanks for watching. Y'all stay in and stay safe if you're in this winter storm we're having. And it'll be over in a couple days. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.